Hey, what's up, Polygon holders? So let's get started the price prediction. But this is alert news for all of you because Polygon is completely fails down from very huge jump. Exactly, Polygon is going to garbage, my friend. Exactly, what's the main reason today fails down? And kind of coming time, can they will give you a profit or not? Can they will make you millionaire or not? Let's see, my brother. Full reality in this video, full real news, absolutely full real of that. Not a fake news, not a fake video, my brother. Kindly try to understand this. This is live chart you can see here in the craft room market. This time you can see the last 7 day chart is already on the screen, and this chart is completely, my brothers, to show you to the Polygon is completely fails. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, please research personally before you have any take a decision, sell, buy, hold or buy, my brothers. So let's start this brand video. But kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So thank you so much, my brother. As you can see, my brother, Polygon is take a very huge jump and the start of, my friends, in this 7 days. You can see here, especially I think this time 29 May, yeah. But after that, you can see, my friend, in the June month, every graph is moving upward. But this time you can see here, this coin is fails down. Hour by hour, minute by minute, exactly after a short jump, they fails down more and more. So therefore, absolutely, this video is going to be very urgent because holders are doing very big mistake. Try to understand, my brother. Research personally, but I will just advise you, my brother, as a brother, because tomorrow, my brothers, absolutely, I have a plan to, if they're starting moving upward, then absolutely I hold it. But if they fails down, exactly, I am going to sell it, this coin. Absolutely, I don't want to take a more as my loss. So absolutely, I can't expect this from Polygon to they fails down like that, but definitely they fails down. So therefore, absolutely, my decision is going to be very bad, my friends. But let's see, I will just share my opinion, my brothers, too. If you have any plan to buy, hold it, the more time, exactly, you are going to be good. This coin is going to be very good, my friends, for a long-term investor. But if you are a short-term investor like me, absolutely, when they take a very huge jump, absolutely, I'm going to sell it. Definitely, I will take a decision to sell it. But definitely, if you have any take a decision to hold for a long time, then absolutely, this coin is very good for you, my brothers. Don't sell it, hold it, and remember the good time is coming soon also for Polygon holder. So remember, thanks for watching Polygon holder. Upcoming time, there is more chances they moving upward, but definitely the current condition is going to be very good. So it's a good for short-term investor to sell it. It's a good for a long-term investor to hold it. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.